to the Arctic Circle, middle of nowhere in Alaska. We're on the Dalton Highway heading towards Colfort, which is another 65 miles on pure dirt road. It is awesome, also scary. Yay.
Leave the living land, that's why you want an end, and so do I. This time I'll leave.
Where are you?
Colfort.
What time is it?
7 o'clock in the morning. Yay!
Did you sleep well?
Yeah, I slept alright.
Any noises?
It's just a howling this morning.
What was it?
I have no idea.
Dogs, wolves, coyotes?
Anything really.
Where are we going today?
We're trying to get to Dead Horse, which is going to be awesome.
Cool. Full of energy this morning, eh?
Fuck off. Welcome to Prudhoe Bay. As you can see, it's full of ice. It's very, very cold. We drove up for about 50 miles on some dirty roads. Me and John nearly came off several times, but we're awesome and we made it. Huzzah!
It's a repeat, and it's getting old. Throw away your television, make a break, big intermission, recreate your supervision now. It's a repeat of a story told. It's a repeat, and it's getting old. Renegades with fancy gauges, slay the plague, for it's contagious. Pull the plug and take the stages. Throw away.
It's a husky. It's a husky.
One-handed riding.
Lying back on the seat of the saddle, ain't you?
I'm an ocean in your bedroom, make you feel warm, make you wanna resume. Now we know it all for sure. I'm a dance hall, dirty breakbeat, make the snow fall up from underneath your feet. Not alone, I'll be there. Tell me when you wanna go.
Be careful, Greg.
See you later.
See you later. Enjoy your drive, honey.
Just when you're ready to go, but don't go until you're ready.
First rehab, take it all off and step inside the running cab. There's a love that knows the way. I'm the rainbow in your jail cell, all the memories of everything you've ever smelled. Not alone, I'll be there. Tell me when you wanna go. Waiting.
Tell me what it is.
We're actually under the waterfall in Niagara Falls. How awesome is that?
She's such a little DJ, get that quick by street, but not the freeway. Turn that trick to make a little leeway. Beat that Nick, but not the way that we play. Dogtown, bloodbath, ribcage, softail. Standing in line to see the show tonight, and there's a light on, heavy glow. By the way, I tried to say I'd be there, waiting for. I know you want the whole one, now turn straight, but I'm about to blow one. Bite that mic, I know you never stole one.